All right. Hey, Shyam, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about
Nice. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Today I woke up earlier, so that's good for me because I normally can't wake up that early, but I did. So kudos to me. um,
even I wake up early today, 5 o'clock.
oh
Then I
my
went
God.
badminton play
Wow.
in
Five.
the
Yeah, that's too early to me. Like I woke up at like 8, I think. That's not normal for me. But yeah. Well, yeah, that's awesome. You are a morning person, I guess.
no. Generally, I used to play badminton in the morning, like 6 to 7.
Oh, wow. That is commitment. I don't know if I would wake up early to play something. Just to do any sort of physical exercise, I guess. All right, we get people. Hello. Thank you for joining. Hello, everyone. I haven't seen you all in weeks, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm not sure. So I'm glad to be here again. Hello, Megesh. Nice to see you. And next week, we won't have any live streams because we will have live streams, but not technical live streams. We will be at Dreamforce. So you will see all of the team there finally. I wasn't able to go before, but I will now. Hello. All right, we're getting people. Perfect. Yeah, I guess we can get started, Shiam. Or if there's something that you want to tell us before we start, that's also cool. How's Data with Fun doing, by the way?
So yeah, today I think we have reached 3,000 followers. Also, like,
Nice.
and I have shared like 16 puzzles till now. And tomorrow I'll be sharing one more puzzles. And even
Nice.
like I've created a blog for that one, like database.fun. So now, like, people can go and read it out, all the articles, blogs, puzzles, video also.
That's
Maybe,
great.
maybe I will create some of the videos related to the like how we can solve the database transformation puzzles. Maybe next month or something. I'm planning to like stream there in the LinkedIn page.
Perfect. That sounds super cool. I think I haven't seen it, but I will definitely see it now. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that.
Maybe I will start that one, like streaming in the database fun page, like how we can solve. Maybe I can cover some of the questions from the MuleSoft help forum page or Stack Overflow, how we can
Yeah.
solve it. There will be multiple approach also, right?
Yep.
So that we can discuss.
Definitely. Perfect. That sounds super exciting. I'm happy to see that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing. All right. So I guess we can get started then. What are we doing today, Shiam?
So today, I'll be like showing the use case of like Shopify connector, which we have in MuleSoft. So Shopify is like a e-commerce platform. So where we can start e-commerce business, and it will require very minimal effort to set up a new website, e-commerce website. And also like they are providing all the features like which website will be providing. And there will be like multiple a plan also, like you can start with minimal price, and then if your business is growing you can switch to higher plan also. So I will be discussing that Shopify, then the integration with MuleSoft today.
Perfect.
Okay, let me share my screen. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
So yeah, so like Shopify, just you can go and Google it, like Shopify. The first link you will get related to that one. So here you can see like this is the global commerce platform, and you can easily build your business with Shopify. and you can sell products online, offline, and everywhere in the between. Okay, so let me click on this one. So here also you can see, like in the very first page you can see, like you can build your business with Shopify. Just you have to enter the email, and your shop will be ready, the online shop will be ready. And here you can see, like uh, the sales, and here you can see, like some other features are giving. And also, like there are millions of merchant worldwide, 120 plus countries represented by Shopify, and 10% of the total US commerce which is covered by the Shopify. And also, like these are the global economic activity. And yeah, so here you can see the how the Shopify website will look like. Like this is the like UI, and here you can see, like this is the page, and then we have home, and here you can see like snowboard, and this is one of the snowboard option. Here you can see the price and this color and the quantity, and then you have a feature of buy it now, and you can add to cart, and then cart checkout features which you have. So it has everything. So how we can set up a uh, this thing. Here you can see, like how you can start the free trial. Just you have to click on this one, and just here also there is a link, and just you have to enter the email and credential will be created. And here you can see, like how you can start. First you have to like build your brand. Like first you have to create the website, then you can customize your store also, how it will looks. It has lots of themes also available, and you can choose any themes, and that you can, there are also some free themes available and paid themes also available. So you just have to apply that theme and it will be available. Then you can, there are business apps also, like Shopify app store, like online or offline, and you can create on your site domain also. Like it is not necessary you in shop you will see that shopify.com something. You can map with your on domain also, and hosting is also provided by the Shopify only. You don't have to worry about the things how we can manage those things, downtime and this thing. Okay, and then you can start selling your product. Like just you have to configure the inventory, like you have to add all the products, and you can sell the those products online or in person also. Eh, and there are something like you can sell those products online or across channels, or POS, point of sale also you can create, sell globally. And it has B2B also, like business. And then we have a market and manage. So how we can start it? So here also, like here there are, what is Shopify. So let's we click on this one. So like, so Shopify is a, like a complete e-commerce platform. And okay, and how does Shopify work? So I will create a store with free trial, and then we will see like how it will looks like, and then we will explore this, and you can easily set up. Let me click on the start free trial. So here also, like creating a store, it will ask few things. Okay, so let's get started. So it is asking like I'm just starting, or if you have already selling online or in person, you can choose anyone. So I'm just selecting the first option and click on next. Where you do you like to sell? An online store, in person, or something like existing website you have, or social media. In social media also, sometime you will see like buy now button, some products are available. So a buy now feature is also available in the Shopify. So that will be available in the social media, and ads also you can see, online marketplace. So I'm selecting, I'm not sure, maybe, or you can select an online store. Click on the next. What do you plan to sell first? Like uh, products I buy or make myself, or something? I will decide later. Or maybe you can drop shipping product, print on demand product, like some mug will be there, and you have to add your design, and then will be it will be shipped by a third party. So this one is like a print on demand product. one is drop shipping product, and there are these are the services provided by the Shopify. So I'm selecting, I will decide later. And it will ask like where will your business will be located, like, so I'm choosing India. Okay. And then it will ask for a like create a Shopify ID. I have already created, so I'll be using that one. So after login, it will here you can see like building your store. So it is creating a store. Like first it will validate, and then it will create a Shopify a store for you with free trial. So here you can see now it is building your store. Earlier, like they are asking like you have to provide the shop name also, but now they are not giving that option. And also like now they are giving like three. So here you can see like extend your trial for 20 rupees per month. That is very minimal for 3 months on select plan, or it will ask for selecting a plan. So if you go there, so it comes with different plan. Like in the basic, here you can see like that is very minimal, like 20 rupees per month for first 3 months. But here you can see like if the price is less, the plan is in lower price. So here you can see they will charge more on the payment. So here you can see that they will charge 2% and the 2% on the currency conversion fee. This is like Shopify plan. So this one is like 20 INR per month for first 3 months. And then here you can see the online transaction fee is 1%. If you will go for the higher versions, like higher plan, so currently I'm in trial period, so I will get for 3 days. I think earlier they are giving like for 3 months for trial period. Now it is reduced to last session I have given. In that one, I have given with 15 days of trial period. Then it reduced to 7. Now it is reduced to 3 days only. So here, uh, so I'm not selecting any plan for the demo. So I'm with the trial periods. So here you can see like this is the store name, and here you can see like it has full features like home, orders, product, customers. So all the orders which is coming, you can see here, but there is no order. For getting a order, you have to select one plan. But other things like adding a product and this thing, you can add your product and you can create a customer. So maybe in today's session we will explore like how we can create a product through uh, a Shopify connector, and how we can create a customer with Shopify connector. And for orders, I think we have to select a plan which I have to pay and for 20 rupees, and then we can explore this one. So I'm skipping this one for today. And other features also, like here you can see like content analytics. So here you can see like these are the analytics, like how many sales and these things are provided by the. So here you can see like we got your trial has just started. Your trial ends on 9th of September. So today is 5th. So I've just told you like it will give you the, like 3 days of free trial. And then here you can see like sales channel. One is online store and another is point of sale. So if you go there, so here you can see like this is the theme, and your online store is password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. Okay. So maybe you can click on this, view your store. So how it will looks like your store. Here you can see this is the my store name. Okay, this is home, catalog, contact, and here you we have not added any product, so here you can see like no product spawned and this thing. If you have added any product, then it will be visual here. So I'll be creating, let me create one product. So here you can see like something t-shirt description. You can add, you can add images also, and here you have to add the pricing. So here you can add price, and then you can create, click on save. So, so here you can see like one product is added, and inventory like zero is in stock, so you have to add the inventory also. So here you can see something five, and then we have to click on save. Let's see. Okay. Maybe there will be somewhere inventory will be there, like here you can see like other things are there also, variant is also there. Okay. uh, so how we can let me go through the like let me create a one dummy applications like mule project, and then I will explore that Shopify. I will add that connector. So here you can see like in the add modules you will not see that Shopify connector. So you have to go into the like exchange, and then you have to search Shopify, and the very first one which you have to add, and it will download that version. In the meanwhile we can see this into the like, you can google it also, Shopify connector MuleSoft. So here you can see like Shopify connector Mule 4, and I think one version is recently published, like that is 26th of June, and you can go to the like connector. Here you can see like, and Shopify connector reference also you can go. So first thing you have to do like configuration, like how we can connect this store into the Shopify connector. So either we have to go with basic auth or OAuth. So in today demo, I will be covering this basic auth connector provider, and maybe we can set up a OAuth connection also. So here also you can see in the Shopify, uh, these are the like method available. So here you can see all the method available relate all the operation are related to the customer. Then you can see like order, and then you can see product related operations. So currently like Shopify connector is providing only three operations, like on the base customer, order, and product related. Then we have a transactions, and this thing that will come as part of order only. Okay. And also like there are some of the trigger also, like any new customer, on new customer trigger, like any new customer is triggered, created in the Shopify, then we have to sync that customer into any another CRM like Salesforce, or maybe you have to store that information in our database or something like that. Then this will be like we have to use this one on new customer trigger. So and similar we have a like on new order trigger, and then we have a on new product trigger. So these are the things like anything, any operations, like any customer created, any order created, any product created, or any product variant created in Shopify, so that we have to save in another CRM or any database, so we can use this one. Other things like if we have to use any CRM, like if we have to create a customer in any CRM like Salesforce, and we have to sync that customer information into Shopify, then we can use this operation. So here you can see like we have a customer create, then we can use this one. And similarly, like any order or created in that, like you can create a order in Shopify from CRM also. So you have to use this connector. How we can use? Uh, I, I will show you. Any dot till now? Uh,
I think there are no questions yet.
okay. Yeah, fine. So here you can see like we have added that Shopify connector, and here you can see like Shopify connector. So here you can see same operations like customer count, create all the customer related information, product, and then order. So these are the three things which is only available with Shopify connector. But there are others API also available in the Shopify admin API, but all APIs are not available in the Shopify connector. So how we can configure this one? So maybe let me. So here you can see like Shopify connector config. Just select that one. So here you can see like we have to provide. We have to choose two options like basic auth, and we can go with OAuth 2 also. Then we have to provide the consumer key, consumer secret, and this thing. I'm going with the very first option. So here you can see we have to provide the username, then we have to provide the password, and then we have to provide the base URL, the shop URL. Okay. So how we can get this information like username and password? So you have to go to that your store. So here you can see like this is the store name. Okay. So you have to go to the app. Okay. You have to maybe let me come again. So here from here you have to go to the app, and then you have to click on the app and sales channel settings. And here you can see like these are the things, three things which is already installed like online store and point of sale and this thing, advanced cash on delivery and this thing. But we don't have to bother about this thing. We have to create one app. Okay, so we have to click on the develop app. So and here you can see we have to click on the allow custom app development. So I start developing apps on your store. Okay, so you have to click on this one. So this one is created, and after that you have to click on the create an app, create a custom app. So using this app you are able to integrate your store's data with external services like MuleSoft application, or build a custom storefront or something. So you have to click on the create an app. Maybe just you can add any name, that is fine. Create app. Okay, so here you can see like uh, I have created with the Twitch name, and then you have to basically it is accessing like admin API. So how we can access the store data with admin API? Maybe we can click on this one. So here you can see like Shopify admin API, and uh, we are going to use REST API. It is supporting GraphQL also, but internally like Shopify will be using REST API. So here also you can see like there are some client library also available for Node.js, PHP, Python, and Ruby. So that you can enable it and you can use it. So here you can see like uh, in connector we are using only three things like order, and the another thing is product and customer. So here you can see like customer. So these are the API. Like if you click on the customer, so these are the API like admin API customer.json. So if you click on that one, so it will give you the payload also, like sample payload. And so this is the payload and the input body, and this is the URL. So this is your like your development store dot something is there, and then you have to use customer.json, and then we have to use the Shopify access token. So this one is there. So basically, so this is the like endpoint when we're going to create a customer. So internally it will be using this API like REST API, admin REST API, and there are like every 3 months or something like that they are releasing a new version. So here you can see like 7/20/23. Okay, so let me go there. But how we will get that access token and this thing? So we have to configure that one like username and password and store name. So here you can see like in the we have to first we need to get the shop name will be here. So this this will be like a shop name 85309F something you are saying, or this one, this is the shop name, and then dot myshopify.com. Okay, even like if you copy this one, it will ask password or something. Here you can see this is the like Shopify web like e-commerce website. Okay, and let me go to that. And here in the catalog section you can see like we have added one like t-shirt, and that price is 5. If we have added an image also, then it will be visible here, that image also. And the count is 0, like inventory count is 0, that's why it is showing sold out. Okay, fine. So basically what we need to do, like we have to get the username and password. We got that shop name. So here you can see this is the shop name. Let me add that one here. Now we have to get the username and password. So from where we can get the username password, you have to create a configure. You have to click on the configure admin API access, and you have to you have to give that like this is a like connected app. Okay, so and you have to provide some scopes also. So we are first thing like we can add orders related. So here you can see like write orders and read orders. I have added that scopes. Then we have a customer, so you can add that those two scopes, write customers and read customers. Then we have product, right? Then we can add this thing. So here you can see like we have added like 6 scopes you have to add: write customers, write orders, read orders, write products and read products. And here you can see like every 3 months they are releasing one API version, so I am using the latest one. Okay, and after that once it is added, you can click on save, and then you can go to the API credentials, and here you can see like this is the API key and this is the API secret key. So this is the like API key will be the username. So I'm just copying that one. This is the username, and the password. Password you will get when you, this is the access token. You don't have any access token yet, so you have to get your admin API access token. So first you have to click on the install app. So I click on that one. So here you can see like to protect your data, you will be only be able to reveal your admin API token once. So copy and save your admin API access token in a secure place. So once it is revealed, you cannot reveal another time. So it will be good to save this in safe place. So here you can see this is the like password. Okay, and then we can do the test connects. Hope it will be successful. Yeah, so here you can see like test connection is successful. Click on OK. So we have configured that Shopify connect like configurations. So username, this is the username and this is the like admin API access token. Okay, and store name, I think if, from here you can get it. Okay, this one is fine. So let me show you. Internally it is using like admin API only. So maybe I will go with the Shopify connector. So how it has 4 jars something. So this is the main one, like Mule4 Shopify connector. And if you go like all the operations will be available on that operation folder. So here you can see uh, Mule4 Shopify connector dot rest common dot API dot operations. Okay. So here, yeah. So this is the like internal operations. So here you can see like let's see customer count operation dot class. So if you open this one, uh, in my Anypoint Studio, I've added the decompiler, so I'm able to see that all the class files content also. So I'm so here you can see. So this is the class, and so here you can see like uh, operation path. So here you can see like admin API, then it is using like 10 20 21, and then we have a customers and then con.json. So this is for like con.json. So maybe we will go there in the admin API. Okay, so here also like you will get retrieves account of users. So here you can see like the same credential like admin API, and then some version is there, then customers and then con.json. So the same API it is using admin API, some version is there, customers and con.json. And after that like query file param format like customer count, retrieve account of all customers. So internally like it is there is a REST request builder is called, we are calling internally REST API, and we are passing all that like accept is equal to application JSON, and it is giving some result and then we are returning it. So same thing here you can see like this is the thing, and this acts Shopify access token. So that will be like internally taken care by the uh, this API endpoint. So here you can see like do request, and from here if you go inside then you will see like we are passing configuration also. So from configuration we can get that uh, those information that related to the token and this thing. So any doubt till now? And
No.
this is the like best way to like go inside and check that operation class any connector. You can explore that one how it is written, and then it will give you the like better picture on that connector. And maybe in some another session or some maybe I will write article like how we can like uh, use decompiler in the Anypoint Studio, so that you can check any class like any Java class in the Anypoint Studio. Maybe I will cover later that one. So here same thing, maybe we can go with customer create operation dot class. Let's see. So here also like same thing, like admin API and then version and customer.json. And here you can say create a customer. So we are passing some customer create input this class file. Okay, and then this is the customer create body which we are passing, and then we will get some response. Okay, and similarly like here you can see like customer, then we can see like order. For each operations there will be a separate class written. Okay, so that is fine. So I have already like created a sample application in the GitHub repo, and maybe you can go with my article also. Like this is the article which I have written last year, like 7th of May. So here you can see like introduction and basic use case, like syncing a new customer information where from where they place an order and this thing, and basic auth. Here also like in the screenshot you can see like earlier they are giving like 14 days of trial period of Shopify. Now it is coming as only for 3 days. Earlier they are asking other details also, like email address and password, and then they are asking for the store name also, like you can create a custom uh, store name also. Like now they are in trial period, I don't think they are providing it. Maybe there will be some option to rename it. I need to validate that one. So all the steps are mentioned. Once a store is created, then you have to create an app. Then you have to go to the admin API access. You have to provide these access like write customer, read customer, and then you have to create one app for uh, credential. Like you have to install the app for the access token, and this will be revealed only once. So you have to save it in a place. So here you can see like earlier I have created with name like MuleSoft, and this is the like access token, and this is the username, and these are the operations. So what I will do, like I have already created a new Shopify integration. So maybe you can go and check out this file. Just you have to configure few things only, like in the, if you go there in the mule and global.xml file. So here you can see like in the Shopify config I am passing username. So you have to pass this value as a runtime shopify.username, shopify.password, and shopify.shop name. That's it, and then it will be good to go. So I have already like imported that project. Here you can see. So just I have to change that credentials. So here you can see Mule Shopify integration. So in the environment sections, I have to change that shop name, username, and password. And then I will run this application, and I will show you the other operations also. So, so this is the password, and
There
then
is a question.
yeah.
Um, why do we have to connect to Anypoint Studio? Can't we sell our product directly from Shopify itself?
Yeah, but when we have to sync those product, or maybe we have a different in-house product or something applications where we are managing all the products, or maybe customers, or maybe we are managing those customer or product in the any Salesforce CRM, maybe, and from there we are creating an order, or maybe you have to sync those customer into the Shopify or vice versa. So in that case, we need Shopify connector for the
Thank
MuleSoft.
you.
So this is the store name. I think these are the use case like very few will work on. Like if client is having some e-commerce website and they have to sync those data into any other system or any database or something like that. So I have updated it, and then I'm running this application like new Shopify integration. So here you can see I have already added all the endpoints. Okay, so here you can see I have not created with RAML and these things. So these are the like listener I've created, and then you can see like customer count. So when we hit this one endpoint, and let's see the customer count configuration. So here you can see like Shopify connector config. In customer count, we don't have to provide anything, so that is fine. But in the customer create, you have to pass the body, like that will be like payload, and maybe customer get, there will be some of like we have to pass that customer ID, right? Then we can get the customer information of that customer. So that we are passing into the URI params and customer ID. And there are some other fields also like you can pass it. So hope okay. So one of the product is created, right? So I've configured that one also, like on new uh, product trigger. So it will do the transformation, and just I'm logging it. So one product is already created, so that product is coming here. Okay, so for this one also I've created a uh, postman collection also. So here you can see like customer count. So I think when we hit this one, so we will get count as 0, right? Because we have not created any customer, but I'm going to create a one customer. So this is like, let me add my name. Okay, and then I will hit this one, so it will create a customer in the Shopify. I'm using MuleSoft application, but it will create a customer in the Shopify. So let's see. So this one here you can see like we are getting 200. Okay, and this is the customer informations. Okay, maybe we can verify this one. uh, okay, let me go to the customer. So here you can see like one customer name is created. Okay, uh, Shyam Prasad, and these are the information which I have filled. And if you see here also like phone number is ending with 11. Here you can see you can create another customer also. Okay, let me create another customer. Okay, we are getting some, there are some limitation also, like I'm not sure why I'm getting this error. Well, I will check this one. Maybe. So maybe you can see here the customer count is now 1. And even if you create a customer here from the UI also, add a customer. Why that click is not working? So here you can see like and then I will click on save. Okay, so one another customer is created, and here you can see like there are two customers. And if you go there and click on the count, here you can see like count is 2, and here you can see count is 2. And if you go to the get customer call, like get customer list, and okay, I'm not sure like this one will not work, but Okay. So here you can see like this is the customer and this is the ID. Okay. Uh, I will call that get customer API call. So we are getting all the informations like here you can see. And if you call that get customer list, I think this one is not. And you can get the customer orders also. We can pass that one. So there will be no order. So it will return as empty. Similarly, you can create a product also. So here you can see like product count is one, and let me create a one new product. So here you can see like NYC mule t-shirt is created. Okay, let me go there and see that we have two products. So here you can see uh, this one is created. So in this way, like you can do the integration with customer, product, and orders. So if anyone has questions, they can ask, and even this product you can see in that online store also. So you have to click on this one online store, and then you have to go to the catalog. So here you can see like we can see like, and here you can see like price is zero. Maybe you can modify that one, and maybe we can add some image also, like maybe let me download this one and let me add this image also there. And then where is save button? So here you can see I can click on save, and if you go there, so here you can see like that image is also visible, and here you can see like 5 rupees. Here you can see like card feature and this thing, and you can click on add to cart. It is added into the cart, and then you can explore. This is the shop, and this is the like shop name. If you have to map this shop if this to your domain, that there will be some process and that you have to follow it up, and then your shop will be ready to use. Like, yeah, any questions or any doubt you can ask, or maybe I will explore that one also. I cannot showcase the orders thing because that is requiring like subscriptions. So I have to go with any basic level subscription. So I cannot create a order and these things. Then you can click on checkout in this thing. So here you can select checkout is not available. So you have to pick in order to enable a checkout for your customer, you must pick a plan. So and and also like you can edit your theme. So so this is the theme, and maybe there will be option like here you can see like announcement bar, you can add edit or something. Okay, so here you can see like welcome to our uh, t-shirt store or something you can write, and then it will be visible. So like anyone can do this setup and this thing. If we have to do some announcement or like that, you can add here. Okay, and this is the header, and header also you can uh, modify. So here you can see like main menu and this thing, and just you have to explore this thing, and very handy, and then you have to click on the save. Yeah, any questions, Alex?
Nope, no other questions.
So this is like my, even like if you search for the like this name here, you can see like the first one is like Mule Shopify integration. Even like some of like one of the like mentor has reached out me like one of the like integration was not working like for the orders like in that endpoint. I think uh, this endpoint like admin API is accepting like array like of some values, but in the connector it is accepting only one value, that is enum. So that is the one bug which I figured it out. But here you can see like you can explore these things, and if you have any doubt or anything, and also like any new customer or, created here also we have seen that one that is flowing back. And once this is the like I've created like for the customers also, here you can see everything, you can see like customer count, customer create, and this thing is fine. But for the customer list you have to do the transform message, otherwise it will like give some error, like it is not working like that, maybe it is. And for other things it is fine, like here you can see like customer update and this thing. Here you can see all the operation related to the order. So for exploring thing you can explore my like, just check out my MuleSoft integration. Just you have to like pass only three parameter, which either you can go here also, and you can just you can change that this URL, like you can fill the username, password, and base URL here also. But either then either you can pass this into the runtime properties, so which I have already shown in the mule application configure, and you can go to the environment and you can pass these values. And even you can see like you can pass you can see all the store, like here you can see like I've created like two or three store today. So this one I have selected. Even like all store, if you click on that one, all stores, so here you can see like this is the name which got created earlier one, I will show you. So here you can see like MuleSoft 1 to 3 MuleSoft. So earlier we have to provide like name. So here you can see Lucknow meetup and something like that. So you can create like n number of store for free trial, with free trial, and that will be like on, it is giving only for 3 days. Yeah, that's it. If anyone has any question, they can ask.
Perfect. No, I don't see any questions so far. I shared with everyone Shyam's article. Where is it? There it is. In case you have any questions, please go there. And also the GitHub repo there in Shyam Raj Prasad. You can also find it. So if you have any questions, check it out. And there's a question actually. What is the URL to check out your mule project? Oh, I just put it there. It's github.com/shyamrajprasad/mule Shopify integration. So go check that out, Shankar. Um, and that's it. I don't see any more questions, but that was super insightful, Shiam. And it's great that we know, like you mentioned, you can have an integration in case you need to, I don't know, do something in Salesforce or stuff like that, and you need to,
Or
um,
maybe we can store the information in our internal database also.
yeah,
Like, yeah, that is not necessarily we have to sync those information in Salesforce, any system, any applications which we have to think of.
yeah, exactly. Thank you so much. And yeah, I don't see any more questions. So I guess that's it for this live stream. A friendly reminder to everyone watching, remember to go and follow us at twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community so you can see all of our previous recordings, our schedule in your own localized time zone. And you can get notifications as soon as we are live so you never miss us. And that's it. We're getting thank you all for watching. And thank you, Shyam, for the awesome demo and the article and the GitHub repo and everything. Really appreciate it.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
have lots
Yeah.
of articles over there in Medium also. For each
Yeah.
article, you see one GitHub repo also.
Yes. Awesome. So go to Medium and follow Shyam as well. So you get all the new stuff that he starts writing on Medium. All right. Perfect. That's all then. I will see you on maybe Thursday with Jitendra Bafna. So cool, cool. All right. Thank you, Shyam. And thank you, everyone, for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.